Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you what I did with these witches that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Uh, as soon as I saw them, I knew I had to have them. I just fell in love with them. And so what I did was I purchased two of them, and I painted them black with black acrylic paint. And then the next step I did was I did the cauldron, and I covered it with a thick layer of this triple thick, and then I put hot glue all through the bubbles here and the cauldron, like it's bubbling over. And I also did it for their hair. And then to paint the green, I purchased this neon green from the dollar store. And I had made some bubbles for the cauldron here that I wanted bubbling over, and I painted them all green and did the whole glow in the dark thing. And for the life of me, I cannot find them. So I saw these googly eyes that I just purchased recently. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to use the googly eyes. There's some movement to it. I like some movement to my projects. It makes it come alive. So it ended up being a good mistake, if that's what you want to call it. And so yeah, that's the green paint I used. And I also purchased this glow in the dark paint from the dollar store. And I covered the faces and the hands I'm still touching up, and covered the whole cauldron thing. And I'll turn off the lights in a moment here and show you the effect. And for the fingernails here, I was cutting apart a skeleton like this, and I just used some bones to make them pointy fingernails. And then this was just some fabric from an old shawl that I had kicking around. There's another nail kicking around. And I just glued it all along the witches here. And for their hats, I use this black flocking powder that one of my YouTube subscribers had gifted to me, and I so apologize. I can't recall her name. I know she changed her channel, but I am using it and I love it, and I love the effect. It's called a glitter flocking powder. And so I really love the effect on their hats, and it feels nice and velvety. Okay, so I'm just going to turn off the lights and we'll see how that looks. I know the video is not doing it justice, but it looks like it's alive. Like, it looks like it's actually bubbling. So I figured that was a nice effect. And then this chain I just used from like a fruit basket that you can get in the spring or summertime from the Dollar Tree. And I just used one of the chains here for it where I'll hang it up. So I absolutely love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it as much as I did, and I hope you give it a try and it inspires you to go a little bit beyond what you see. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.